All right, real quick, I just got a package in from Palace. So I already know what it is, obviously, because I bought it. But here's what we got. The Palace Wide On t-shirt in blue. Quick little review for you. Alright, so I bought this because I like the color block. Palace is really good on that. Color blocking is amazing. And the texture, not the texture, the contrasting colors really goes well with summer. Obviously it's summer 2019. Hopefully they'd be releasing stuff that goes with summer. Like, why wouldn't they? But here's what I got. Size large. Look how gorgeous it is. So you got all these mermaid man colors, and then that baby blue on the back. But I'll probably be keeping this just because I like it. Usually I'll buy stuff and then in the future I just resell it just because I don't end up getting any use out of it. I don't know why I do that, but that is all for this video. Very quick video. If you decide to pick up the Wide On t-shirt, just know that it's fire, and you could probably find one on Greld or StockX. So thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Peace.